Yo, what's up, people? My people, my people. I hope you guys are staying safe. Coronavirus will not meet any of us in the name of Jesus. God will bless us. Now, this is for my subscribers on YouTube. I just want to say thank you so much for all your support. Sometimes I just wish, say, man, I feel, reply everybody, but it's not possible. We try, yeah. For you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that means, say, man, when I love me, you don't understand, and that love, I don't take it for granted at all. You understand? I love when I write back. You don't understand? So I just want, I want feel now. I want to play out this season. You don't understand? People don't understand. It's not easy. I don't say it's not really easy to create a comic person laugh, but we don't try. I mean, married man. I don't say this season don't really favor us like that. But what the man go do? You don't go cheat forever now. To say trumpet blow now. Now for nowhere we go. But all the same, this is the time for you to just let the side chick understand. Say no be now they call anyhow. You understand? This is not time for madam. This coronavirus go really strengthen homes. Because man and woman will never really get time for themselves, they go use this one to get time for themselves. And it go really blend. Some of us when they jump up and down, they hustle. Sometimes it's just still good to just, But the only problem is that they say stay at home, money no day. That's so manage everybody, they manage. So I beg, man, no come out. Now see what these soldiers they do, people make go be like say they go change them for any of now. From now on, we don't be family. So I'm thinking of doing a talk show where I'll title it Talk to Me. If you follow me on Instagram and you watch my YouTube, you can ask me any question. We're going to address them for you. I'm going to plain for you. You understand? So I'm trying to build a family with you guys. Because I don't say will be my first 11. I know what I mean by first 11. So as I was saying, married men, make una take am easy this period. I just follow them just to test the side chick. Say, oh Bob, make day. You never coast never really clear like that. But I come to think and say, if this coronavirus matter end, who let the doors out? The way men go take the ball out, it go hard. But all the same, we thank God till like this it happen. And side chick don't understand what they happen. You don't need to be called now. You understand? They say total shutdown. Everything supposed shut down. As in, you don't get where supposed they. You understand? Olympus should fall. Everywhere shut down. You understand? And it will still help you. You will be Olosho because waiting be like this now. Will come and be like, you understand? Come on for the line while they talk. I see the face the married men. Now listen, married men, this period, my advice to you now. I mean, me, you already know, so me, I've already given the scope to use. After you don't tell the side chick, make them chill for some time. I need you now, man. You got to hold your house one kind. Understand? Say no escape routes. You understand? So you got to put your head down and begin to show your madam love this period. And I'm not saying you don't show her love every time, but you got to show her love over this period. You understand? So that issues nobody dey. Concentrate on them. Then for the women, say now women and they control the house, but sometimes they lose guard. This corona period, nobody time to give oga stress. Say God, I don't understand. No stress out. Because when the house become too hot for him, he go want ja. Unfortunately, nowhere to ja go. Then I'll begin the quarrel. No, just make him feel like saying still day street. Yeah, he won't press the phone. Leave him make you press the phone. You know understand? You don't go to check phone, go to find password, go to find what you know find. You don't need that this period. Just let them be. Now you're going to do a side chick. They know what see my tell one secret there. You know what it make us like side chicks? Side chicks when they give problem normally. Side chicks. I know now they watch this on now. When I go down they happy say woo right on. Side chicks when they give problem normally. They just call you. Also, why you not picking my call? They you get me they day. So when the house become too hot, now then man will fall back to. So you now apply plan B, pick the side chick. Keep on left, right, and center based on 1 or 2. You don't understand what I tell you? Then don't go the tire apart for chest. They go they do mommy, mom. No. This is the time when you go to this sexy. If you don't get bum shots, cut your jeans. Cut your jeans. Poo. So that you go sexy. I don't know if you understand what I try to tell you. So that when you go past palo, left, right, center, you go look, you go say, man, but this is my ball. They will now call the lash. Now I can't know whether I will begin to use protection on your hair because this I don't even talk say everybody's not coming season. I don't go tell you say maybe go lose guard. But what I'm saying in essence is that 2 weeks where they say more day house or 1 month where they say more day house, problem feel no come your family. I tell you. Women are they control the issue. So you go don't use your brain runner. No tie to your man. Let them free. And I go do alright. You understand? I don't say that tonight that this one people say this guy I love doctor. No, I don't do 5 years. So I think I have the small permission or warrant to advise. Now based on corona, I made me the advice based on 1 or 2. So because you got some people now call the reason say one of my friends let me say if the reason say make they call hospital come carry him from your house. May say one the form say rest half hour say maybe me and him plan say we get corona. Say more just so that they will come carry us go isolation center. Now I said no. I can isolate myself in my house. I don't need any isolation center. You understand? As I talk to you now, the guy there isolation center there. You understand? We are in gear. You don't understand me? For the woman mind though, it didn't get a house because the house come too hot. So now the wife they pray, say, oh, God heal my husband. You know, say the husband they get prayer. You don't understand me? So me, I don't think do that kind of thing. So for you to enjoy your own this period, you cannot say go too hot. Now the matter be that. Husband, look your wife like bitch. If you dey look your wife, just imagine say she dey naked. You understand me? Now maybe they feel her. Then you don't need to call the lock your phone, everything. Woman, no search phone, make everybody do alright. You understand? God will bless us. Like I said, I'll be doing a program. It's the title Talk to Me. Alright, so I'm going to drop the questions, I'm going to do the answer. So this one is just the intro, just to say thank you for subscribing to Baba Rex TV. I love you guys. One love.